Hey, welcome back to Sinister, guys. Today we're going to be talking about an air intake for your 6.0 Powerstroke. So your stock intake is very big, it's bulky, it's ugly, and it's just slowing down the airflow that your truck needs. So where we came in is we developed our own intake, and it's a pretty nice piece. Obviously it looks really good, but it also performs really well. So in the kit itself, obviously you get our nice pipe here that's all powder coated, our nice filter, our boot, our clamps, and then all the stuff that we need for our vent box, and then a little support bracket here, and all the hardware. And also, if you live in the state of California, we even have a CARB EO number, so this is a legal part. So now that we've talked about it a little bit, let's go ahead and install it. First off, we're gonna talk about the tools we need. To take the map sensor off, it's a 9/64 Allen. Then we have a 5/16 nut driver to take the clamps off the turbo. So the first thing I like to do is just take our map sensor off, and there's just 2 screws you unscrew here. Just boom, there's one. Just like that, there's the other. I try to take my screws out first so I don't lose them. See, then just pull that guy out. Let's see. All right, I'm just gonna put it over here on the side, just kind of let it hang out over here. And then next up, we see all these little clamps for this box right here where the filter is. So I'm just gonna take all these off real quick, and I should be able to take this out. All right, so it's a little tight in here, so I'm just gonna take this middle section out real quick. It's just a 5/16 clamp. Just undo it real quick. And then you kind of have to jimmy it out because it is fairly tight in here, but it's not bad. Let's see. Let's get that somewhat out of my way, and I should be able to get this guy off here. All right, look at that. That's what's gonna slow all your airflow down right there. So once you get that middle piece out, I feel like that's kind of like the main big piece. So I have a clamp on the turbo that I'm gonna loosen up. Same thing, just a 5/16. Super simple. I'm gonna come in here. It's a little bit tight under here, but it's not too bad. Just gotta lift this little cover up. All right. So I'm gonna get this guy out of my way real quick right here. Boom. Let's see, just like that. This guy should come right off. And also you'll see there's a crankcase vent tube here that comes through into the intake right there. So you're just gonna have to like pop that guy off there, just like that. And then it just comes right off, just like that. All right guys, so we got our old intake out. So now we're starting off at the turbo with our boot and our clamp. I'm just gonna go dive in here, shove this guy in. Let's see. And so like now that I got the boot and the clamp on there, when I'm putting my clamps on, I try to be mindful of like where the nut is to tighten it. So then like, you know, obviously I put it right there and I could literally just come in super easy and just tighten it up, no problem. So just try to be mindful of that. It makes your life a lot easier. So I got my pipe kind of laid in there where I want it, and then make sure to put your clamp on. Do not forget that. So I'm just gonna slide this in here real quick. All right, and then I'm just gonna slide this right in. Now I put a little glass cleaner on the end of the pipe so it can kind of help it slide in there a little bit easier. All right guys, so we got our intake on, and there's just a little mounting bracket that goes on under here and just helps support it up. There's like a little nipple down there, and you literally just shove it in there, and then the brackets it's on just has a bolt and a nut. It's pretty simple. You just line it up, it just sits right on top of it. And when you guys set up your vent tube for your crankcase vent right here, it comes with, there's a 90 and there's a straight fitting. So for the earlier trucks, it uses the straight fitting, and then for the later trucks, it uses a little 90. And if you have like the 05 to 07, you just have to cut, it comes with the PVC pipe, you just cut it down to 4 3/4. And if you're confused on it, just read through the instructions and it explains everything clearly how to do it. In our last step of the install here, we're gonna go ahead and get our filter head, put it on the intake, just slip it right in there, put it on, get your clamp, tighten it up, just like that, you're good to go. And if you guys are interested in grabbing an intake or anything else, go ahead and head over to sinisterdiesel.com.